What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having an amazing day today, and I want to talk about NVIDIA. If you guys didn't trade NVIDIA, or if you missed your opportunity to trade NVIDIA, really listen to this because it was there. The opportunity was there. You just had to kind of grab it and run with it. All right, and I want to talk about what I saw, how I identified it, and how you guys can kind of repeat this process. All right, so obviously, NVIDIA has been on the watch list for the last few days. Tech's been making good moves. So I had it on my screen here, and we saw this impressive rip come right after the first few minutes of the open. All right, so oftentimes, guys, when we're looking for bullish patterns, you need that explosive first leg up, and then you can kind of wait for some sort of a consolidation pattern. You never want to take the chase. You never want to buy it at the high levels here. All right, so once I saw this explosive move up, I take a look at the flow and I see that there's lots of calls coming in, and they're going after the 285s when the stock is sitting at around 265 area. So after this move, I'm taking a look at flow while this is kind of panning out to give myself an outlook on what's really going on. I'm seeing the bullish flow come in. I'm seeing 56% overall that's coming in. It was actually a little bit higher earlier on. The quick tab, again, when I checked it, it was very bullish, still very bullish, going after the 270, 280s. I checked the flow, the levels, the 15K plus is almost 72%, the 30K plus is 61%. These are all bullish things that are panning out. And what also happened is, eventually we started putting in this pattern. And take a look here, guys. We have a series of higher lows being put in place on this flat top pattern, right? Something that I've talked about multiple times. And here we are again putting those higher highs. Now take a look at where these higher highs are being put in, off of that 20 moving average, off of that 20 moving average. So as soon as we broke out of this flat top, this is where I got involved on calls. I put the calls out, we got in, nice little move here. This initial move gave us about 40%. And then if you miss this move, you have this retest, right? Where is this retest coming back into, guys? It's coming back into the 20 moving average, and then it just really takes off. And every little pattern that we have here is bouncing off of that 20 moving average, and it's continuously just moving higher. So this right here, after this explosive move, gave us the opportunity to get involved on this pattern. We had the flow on our side, very bullish activity coming in. We had the quick view tab. We have the levels. Guys, you need to start paying attention. When things like this, when an explosive move like this really takes place, you don't want to chase the call up here. Wait for that pattern to present itself. And in this regards, the pattern was the flat top. We have that pattern. It broke out, took off, and there it is. Nice, solid trade. This option moved over 315%, and it was just a banger. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this content. If you did, make sure you share this with someone who you think will find value in it. And I appreciate you guys as always. Thank you for watching, and have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day.